430 billion pump. That's what's going on right now. This market is being pumped up. Mid-elections is coming. I smelled the biggest bear trap of all time. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Hold Sell. Hope of course you're all well. Very quick video. 2 reasons. I've already recorded it. Mic wasn't on. Boo-hoo. So I'm having to re-record it. So it's going to come quick and it's going to come fast. First off, we're going to have a look at this. The Biden set to sign 430 billion climate tax bill into law next week. We've been talking about it on the channel. We've been talking about my theory. The market's being propped up. I really do feel it. This is going to be obviously great for our EV stocks, our green plays. It's what this channel is all about. Green plays, long, sustainable energy. We do a lot of swing trading, day trading, long trading. And this is going to be great for our plays that we are invested in. Tesla, Go EV, our lithium plays, all the different things that we're talking about. This sector is hot, and I think without a shadow of a doubt, even in the barest of barest markets, I believe these are the types of stocks that if anything's going to do well, it will be these. So that's why we're invested in them. So I welcome this news. This is bullish, and this could mean that we're going to get a bit of a run now up until that election. But I'm very nervous about the market, but I'm not going to be doom and gloom in this video. No. I'll share the link to the video that I did last week that brings you right down, creating that balance as always. Grim times ahead, in my opinion. That is the video if you want to get balance, and I always recommend balance. It gives you a clear perspective on life and everything about it. And if you're interested, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. Usually I do Investopedia for my week ahead. We don't have that, unfortunately, because I'm doing this video super early to try and get out early, enjoy the sunshine. But Wall Street, a week ahead. Soft landing, hopes US economy, brighten outlook on stocks. S&P's up about 15% on optimism. It is coming back, and you can understand why that optimism is coming back, because things are looking good. I done my video previously where I showed the NASDAQ talking about the levels of support. And if we have a look at the NASDAQ, then we have got above this level. We have got our candlestick close, so this has become quite bullish. RSI, MACD, not loving that. And what I'll show you here is the SPY in a moment, but this to me is testing. This is a good week ahead. It'll be good to see if it can build up support and really stick above this level and show strength. That's what I'm looking to see. On the SPY then, we're not quite there yet. We did get above this level. This was the last time I bought my short, and yes, I'm still buying shorts. I'm going to be buying my next short around the 200-day moving average. This is the 180. We're very close to that. We're looking for the 200 here. If we get to the 200, this could pull back. I'm waiting to see. We can see here previous times we got above it, it slipped back down, above it, slipped back down. The last time we were properly in a bull run was back in December. So the indices are looking quite bullish. It has been a great week. In the Discord, we made some money, and shout out to Brendan, bringing back Volta to something that's been on our radar for a good while now. He's a course member. He bought the trading course. He's learned how to trade. We were talking about banning on the 3-minute, 5-minute. He was in it. He sold it, what to do. Great back and forth, but ultimately between us this week and the last week, we have made some great money on Volta. Believe it or not, the stock is up over 86% on the month. Sold for like 14% on Thursday before earnings. I didn't want to hold for earnings, as I don't really like to. And then it opened up, it was flat. Then it just shot off. I jumped in, I got about 11%. I think Brandon got about 15%. Great day, 16% on Volta. I also did some great oil trades this week. Look, it's all in the Discord. I'm not going to talk too much about it. Great week, everybody's winning. There wasn't that many stocks that were down. If you've picked a stock last week that was down, well, that was pretty poor if you're picking a swing trade, because there was so much to pick from. Really happy with that. Story hasn't changed. Going to stick to my plan of topping up my shorts if we get to the 200-day moving average. If we break through and show confirmation and it goes bullish, happy days. I am happy with that. I have no problem. I take the emotion out of things by using the chart. So if we do go bullish, I sell my shorts. It's fine. It's a hedge. It's a way of making money on the way down, hedging my bets. I'm sitting at about 55% cash right now, using that for swing trading. I am nervous about the market. And if you want my thoughts, like I said, I would watch this video next. That's the quick update, guys. It really was a quick one, but this video here will tell you all my grimness, and you can do that balance check. As I said, please like, subscribe, help me grow the channel. If you're interested in the trading course, discount is on the link down below, and you get access to the Discord as well. $3.99, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Catch us in tomorrow's video, which is going to be a good one about how to pick a growth company. Peace.